Okay guys, this is part 2 of Which Sounds Better. So I hope you like this.
If there's a prize for rotten judgment, I guess I've already won that. No matter's worth the aggravation. That's ancient history, been there, done that. Who do you think you're kidding? He's the earth and heaven till you try to keep it hidden. Honey, we can see right through you, girl, you can't conceal it. We know how you're feeling, who you're thinking of. No chance, no way, I won't say it, no, no. You swoon, you sigh, why deny it, uh-oh. It's too cliche, I won't say I'm in love. Shoo-doo, ooh. If there's a prize for rotten judgment, I guess I've already won that. No matter's worth the aggravation. That's ancient history, been there, done that. Who do you think you're kidding? He's the earth and heaven till you try to keep it hidden. Honey, we can see right through you, girl, you can't consider. We know how you're feeling, who you're thinking of. No chance, no way, I won't say it, no, no. You swoon, you sigh, why deny it, uh-oh. It's too cliche, I won't say I'm in love. Chasing a dream down a lonely road. Your tail is dragging, it's a heavy load. You don't whine, no you don't quit. Just dig a little deeper and scratch that itch. When you get your shot, give it all you got. Don't just knock 'em dead. Whoa, you gotta rock 'em dead. You gotta rock 'em dead. Whoa, you gotta rock 'em dead. Chasing a dream down a lonely road. Your tail is dragging, it's a heavy load. You don't mind, no you don't quit. Just dig a little deeper and scratch that itch. When you get your shot, give it all you got. Don't just knock 'em dead. Whoa, you gotta rock 'em dead. You gotta rock 'em dead. Whoa, you gotta rock 'em dead. You gotta rock 'em, you gotta rock 'em, you gotta rock 'em dead.
So I hope you guys like that, and I'll do more recordings for the next video. I'm going to do 10 of these videos, so I'm going to do part 1, 2, and then, I may actually get more into these if you guys like it really much. So yeah, and a shout out to my sister May Grace on YouTube. Everyone comment on her video, her latest video that she did, or her recent video, and tell her happy birthday, because today's her birthday. Okay, bye.